Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website that I found which actually allows you to call any AI model with completely unlimited API credits. It will give you, this website is called as Pollinations.ai. So recently I found out this website, it's completely open source. I have given the link in the description of this video. So as you can see right here, it actually is a API for text, image, audio, video, all the latest AI models such as Claude, GPT, DeepSeek. So this is completely free to start. So right here you can click the register button. As you can see, almost 10,000 weekly active developers are there, 1.5 million requests per day, 500 plus live apps. So it's a single API for all the models, no setup required. So you can browse the actual models which are available in this website Pollinations.ai. So you can see for image generation we have all the latest model, Flux, Grok, Nano Banana are also there. You will see that some are paid, some are free. So you can check out their documentation. And this is for video generation. You will also see LTX, Cadence, WAN 2.2, View, Google View as well, Grok. All these latest models are there. For audio generation, we have 11 Labs, Quen 3, and this is for text. As you see, we have also Quen 3 Coder for coding purposes, Mistral, Gemini, GPT-4. We have also have Quen 3, Google Gemini. All the models are there. We also have Claude, DeepSeek, Perplexity, Midjourney. So you can see all the Claude Opus is also there. You will see Claude Opus. So now to get started on this website, once you go to it, so there is, you can either sign in with your GitHub account. So just make sure that you have a GitHub account. So just go to this website, pollinations.ai. If you're doing it for the very first time, as you see, it's also available on GitHub as well. So this is their GitHub repo. Almost 4.4 GitHub starts are there. So many people are following this. So now to get started, you click on register. As soon as you click the register button, you sign in with your GitHub account. So once you do this, it will provide you with a free API key to get started for completely free. So as you see, I've already logged in with my GitHub account. So right here inside the API reference, you can check out their GitHub uh, documentation. You can additionally, once you sign up, you get this free credits where, and also you can additionally buy some more credits as well. All the payment methods are supported, PayPal, Stripe. So now to create the API key, you click that API key button right here and just give it a name. After you give it the name, from here all models allowed, so click on create. As soon as you do that, it gives you your API key. Simply store it some, you can copy this. So just copy to clipboard and close it. And after you copy this, now you can actually try this by calling the API. So right here, this is your base URL that it gives you, and you can actually test it out directly in VS Code. Just actually install any kind of extension, a coding agent. The most popular agent is Clin. You simply install this extension. I have already installed it. So this allows you to directly call any kind of API. I've already installed it. So just paste your API key, go to the configuration section right here, just click the settings icon, and right here paste your API key. And from the API provider, simply select OpenAI compatible and simply paste the base URL that it provides you, which is this one. Simply copy this. I personally tried this and it definitely 100% works. And just set up all this, and right here in the model ID section, simply select whatever model that you want to use. So as I showed you, you can also generate using their directly in HTML as well. You can directly use this rather than calling it. So all this documentation are given right here in their documentation page. and simply check out the actual models. So you can see the actual models which are supported from here. So let me call any of these models. Just copy the model name and paste it right here. So I pasted it and click on done. And once you hit the request, the model will respond to you. So you can see using this. So all these models are supported. You can simply copy the name here. Simply Gimme K2 Moonshot. So the pricing is also listed out how much credits it will consume for input output. So the response, just replace the correct model name from here. Gemini. I think inside the documentation, if you see, so you can also paste this. So right here, you need to provide the API key inside the. You can also directly make the post request as well. So as you see, this is the URL. You can directly use it in HTML as well, directly. So they also have their own CLI as well. So you can install this as a Node.js module. You can authenticate it and directly. So this is actually the command. Let me just show you. So this also applies it apart from giving it the API. They also have. So just open and install their CLI. So once you install this, you can authenticate that. So once you get authenticated, you can directly generate images, text, videos, and source code directly in the command line. So it's a really good website for getting the API key for all the models in a single place. So right here you simply type poly auth login. So right here it will authenticate your device. Click on authorize. So once you do that, your device will be authorized, and after that, once it is authorized, you simply just generate. You can generate an image, text, everything. So let's suppose I execute this command, generate image. You simply type the prompt, use the model, and then the output PNG. So now it will generate this image automatically. As you can see, the image is successfully generated through this API and cat.png. If you see that, automatically it is using its so this is your cat.png file. As you see that a high quality image is successfully generated in this easy way through this API. So this is actually a free API, allows you to do that directly in the terminal as well. You can check out their documentation. It has a really good documentation, and also you can generate a documentation related to any file as well. So right here, for any file, you can generate a documentation. So let's suppose I provide app.py. So I am simply saying it, please generate a short little summary related to this file. So right here, it actually tell me that this is a create a text to speech client, generate and speak. So it listed out a short little summary related to this file. So in this easy way, you can use this tool directly in the command line as well, and it has its own API. So this is the endpoint. This is OpenAI chat completions API right here. So for the API, you can read more about, you can see that you can make a curl request to list out all the models from here. So this is actually the endpoint right here that you need to paste, which is, yeah. So simply paste this endpoint and just go to your client and paste this base URL. Click on retry. Hopefully this time it will simply say, sorry, this one you need to select from here OpenAI. Yeah, so from the API provider, simply select OpenAI, then paste your API key and just select any model. So it is saying incorrect API key provided. You can find your API key for the API model. So I'm not well aware to the API, so you can actually check out the documentation related to which endpoint is related to which one. Yeah, so version 1 chat completions. The format is OpenAI compatible. So from here, you need to select OpenAI compatible. The endpoint will be the same right here. Version 1 chat completions. Yeah, click on done. So you can see all the models are supported. So this is a fully fledged API, so you can definitely try this. It provides you with the free API key in their website as well. If you go to their official website right here, if you see, it's completely open source and transparent, and it doesn't cost you money at all. So that's why it's completely free to try. So no setup required. So it's a single API for all the models for you. So definitely check this out.